Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day here for Apple. Updates certainly need to be made as we head into next week. Oh, and I totally forgot to say, from a disclosure standpoint, I do own Apple in my retirement accounts from the long side, so just keep that in mind as I go through the analysis here. But first update is going to be a little house cleaning. Just going to get rid of that line up there. Yes, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, that is, I just don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion all over the place. But the first big update that needs to be made and actually played out perfectly, so you could throw this right into a textbook if you wanted to. But for those of you that watched a video from previously, talked about that green line there at 112.50 as an area of support. And there's a rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And the price, you can see this morning, ultimately did fall down below it. So after the price fell below it, you can see that price immediately tried to work its way back up there. But you can see right there, a couple instances got rejected. And then once again, late day, final 30 minutes, made a push, but once again, got rejected right up there at 112.50. So by no means am I saying 112.50 can never be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling around that area. And if there is going to be any sort of bigger bounce, let alone some sort of reversal next week, then that first big test is going to be, can the price actually get up above and stay above 112.50? In the event it can, then the next key level of resistance you'd want to watch closely is that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. But as of now, one hurdle at a time. Let's just first see if the price can actually get back above and stay above 112.50. As far as levels of support are concerned, in the near term, nothing fancy, nothing complicated here, just a matter of where did the bleeding finally stop. And that was right there at the 110 mark. In fact, on 3 separate occasions, both there and then a couple more times, price tried to push down through there, could not quite do it. So 110 is going to be one of those levels that a whole lot of people are going to be watching. And in the event that 110 mark does not quite hold up, then as you're seeing here, that's putting the price down at levels that haven't been seen for quite a while. So after 110, next key level of support to keep a close eye on would be down there right around the 109 mark. But we'll see what happens with it next week. But overall, a rough week for it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.